today, this video today, we're going to teach how to make you some popcorn, and the microwave. So let's get started, guys. Let me set the camera now. Camera now. So I gotta use the knife to cut this plastic open. Knife away. Okay. And the popcorn. Let's just shut the door away. Pop this. There we go. Okay. Pop this down here. Put that in there. That side. Yeah, we'll put it in the microwave. Microwave popcorn. Yeah. So let's pop it in, like so. Okay, press the popcorn button. When that popped, yeah. There we go. It's in the microwave. In a bowl. Drop something. Sorry. This is sorry. This is easy. Okay. Put this away. There we go. Okay. Oh, I hear a popcorn popping. Yeah, can you, hear it? Listen. Listen to this. Listen. Yeah, popping. Popping the popcorn. Popcorn. And popping popcorn, yeah. That's easy. Oh wow. It's almost done. Take it off and popcorn. Yeah. So done. Popcorn. It's all done. Let me pressing, testing, pressing, stop button. So now, let me get this out of the way here. Oh yeah, that's good. So now, okay. Oh, camera down for you guys. Check it out, guys. Cornea. This is easy. Okay, dump it in there. Look at that. Oh man. Cornea. And there you go. Popping popcorn in the microwave. That's so good. Thanks for watching, guys.